this book project, I basically posit that religious rivalry and emulation are the key mechanisms of state building in medieval Europe. On the one hand, what will become the Holy Roman Empire controls the church and wants its territory. On the other hand, the church wants autonomy from these secular rulers. So instead, popes turn to temporal weapons. Fragmenting territory, the starting point for bellicist and bargaining accounts, is really sort of a deliberate effort by the church, where war does not make the state, the church makes the state.
What this literature looks at is taking fragmentation as exogenous. What are the consequences of this? When you're thinking about how to deal with countries of a certain size, the strategy has to change. Or the church more generally has a weapon that no one else has, the spiritual side. You can think about it like a competitive situation. If my side has the legitimacy of the church and the side I'm competing with doesn't, that gives me an advantage.